Alright guys, so we are on day number 2 of my flying a pack every single day. So I'm at a local little park near my work. There's a few people in the park, but there's not a lot of people walking around right now, so I'm going to try and get this done and over with. All right, everybody. So that was day number 2. That was packs 2 or 3 and 4. So hope you enjoyed the footage. I'm having a fun time so far doing these 1 pack a day videos for you guys. So as always, guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure to leave a comment down below, like and share the video. I'll see you tomorrow.